Hello YouTube, how's everyone today? I hope that all my YouTubers are fine today, guys. What's for dinner today, guys, is Sazon Chicken. I have 4 bone breasts here. That means that the bones are on these breasts here with a little skin on there. And guys, I'm going to show you how I'm going to bake these today. Now, what I want to do first, guys, is this. I want to go in and let you guys know what ingredients I have. Garlic powder here, I have chicken seasoning, and I have white pepper, guys. And I also have my Sazon Packs. That's what we're using. Now, what we're gonna do today, guys, we're gonna go in and season this up. You don't wanna use a glove, you don't have to, but because I'm gonna use those Sazon Packs, I'm gonna use my gloves. Okay, we want to go in and season these up like this, guys. Okay, put the chicken seasoning on there. You could use black pepper or white pepper, it doesn't matter. And I'm going to put these on just like this. And we're going to take it just like that. Okay, and then we're going to take about 3 of these packs. And we're going to pour it over the chicken. Very easy recipe. Very easy. Chicken will be delicious and you guys will love it. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with 1 more pack, guys. Okay. Okay, so we got all of this Sazon on there and we're gonna rub it in. Just like this. Okay. Now, what we want to do next, guys, is this. Sorry that I had to put my arm on the vision. I'm going to spray my cast iron skillet. And I'm going to put this in. Just like this. Oven on 375. Okay. And there's your chicken. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up 1 more pack just for the top. This is going to be awesome Sazon baked chicken, guys. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven for about 1 hour and maybe 10 minutes. I'll let you guys know the actual cooking time and I'll be back. All right, guys, here's your Sazon chicken. Baked in a cast iron skillet, guys. It's absolutely delicious. I am going to set up a plate, guys. But if you like this video, guys, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and a comment, guys. And you, as usual, you guys have a great day. Voila! Bye-bye.